Hello everybody, this is Dr. Scott. How are you doing today? We're going to start this problem set looking at exponents, powers, a couple different ways to say this. We're basically going to be multiplying the same number over and over and over again. So as we get into the problem set, you're going to notice that it looks like the same problem over and over and over again. And in a sense it is, in one sense you do need to just get some practice, some repetitions in order to start to understand math. But on a deeper level, I just want to point out that, what is math? Who really understands math? And in my opinion, especially if you're new, especially if math seems maybe kind of complicated, I just want to stress that really nobody understands math. And I've studied math for decades. I have engineering degrees. I use math. It's really useful. And yet what math is a set of patterns. And so to quote, learn math, what you need to be able to do is spot the patterns. And when you're given a problem, you need to fit that problem into a type of pattern that you already know, right? So a lot of students find math difficult, and it's because they don't see the pattern. If you're given a math problem, it's like being given one piece out of the middle of a jigsaw puzzle, and somebody asks you what the puzzle says, and you have no idea because you just have one little piece of the jigsaw puzzle, and they're like, oh yeah, well it's going to be a picture of a guy sitting on a park bench eating a sandwich, and you're like, how could you possibly know that? But the person that claims to understand math sees the pattern, right? Maybe you're not there yet, and that's why we're going to do lots of examples. We're going to cover all the cases, and the intention of the problem set is to be able to learn to spot the patterns that represent math.